I think our movements stem from our fight for justice and our longing for whanaungatanga.
They were necessary to respond to injustices and the breaches of Te Tiriti at different points in our history.
These movements are expressions of rangatiratanga. These movements are expressions of frustrations, they're expressions of reclamation, they're expressions of liberation. And what they create is a fire within us that reminds us how great we are or how great we can be.
So if we think of the Kīngitanga movement, that was a response to the confiscation of land. We think of first Māori parliament at Kaupapa, and then we think of our hikoi.
In the 70s, organisations were set up, Kuanga Reo, Waitangi Tribunal, Peti ana mo te reo Māori. And in the 80s, it turned into a masses of action. The establishment of Kaupapa Māori, the Springbok Tour.
We would not have been able to see a generation of tamariki and rangatahi who are as unapologetically Maori as we are, had those movements not been established. Our movements, I think, have provided a space for us as Māori to exercise our rangatiratanga and to feel safe in our Māoritanga without the overreach of kāwanatanga power, essentially.
They'll end when the government or the Crown fully recognises, honours, implements, incorporates the tino rangatiratanga promise in Te Tiriti o Waitangi.